Hi, to hide or unhide apps with secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Firstly, let's go in the phone settings and here find Security and Privacy tab. After that, we should go in More Security Settings. And now the first thing we can see is Secure folder, so tap it. And now we need to set it up. Just tap continue. Here you would see some permissions which are required for this folder. Tap continue again. And now it is creating our own secure folder. So with the help of this app, you can hide or unhide another apps. You can add here, for example, your WhatsApp with different accounts and use separate data on your main app and on the app which is placed in secure folder, which is really cool and helpful. Now let's wait for the folder to be created. And that's it, now it is created, we just need to customize it. So firstly, we need to choose folder lock type. So we got option for pin code, password or pattern. I want to select pattern. And now let's draw it, continue and draw again and then confirm. And after that, it will load for a couple of seconds and you'll see this pop-up window to turn on reset with your Samsung account. So I suggest you to turn it on because if you forget how to unlock secure folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. So let's turn it on. And if you want, you can enable fingerprints for unlocking the secure folder. If not, just tap next and let's go to the next step. So here you'll see this list of apps which are placed in secure folder. You can tap on plus and add even more from the list. For example, I'm going to add Facebook. I'm going to add Gmail, remove Google TV, I misclicked. And let's add YouTube Music and Spotify. If you misclicked, you can tap on the app which you added, or you can tap on this check mark on this minus above the app and remove it. And after that, tap the button Add, and this app should appear in the folder. So now let's go back in the settings using this back arrow, and after that, we can make pattern visible and we can go in auto lock secure folder and choose when secure folder will be locking. Each time I leave an app, one screen turns off after 5, 10 or 30 minutes and when phone restarts. So I suggest you to enable one of those free options for the best protection. Personally, I am gonna choose first option each time I leave an app. And now we can add secure folder to app screen if you want to see it in your app screen, or you can hide it, but in that case, you need to constantly visit your settings to find apps in the secure folder. Then you can customize notifications, add even more apps, and so on. And now let's find it on the homepage. So I'm gonna enable my app drawer, and this is how it should look. Just tap it to open. And as you can see, we need to unlock it first. And then you should see this list of apps. So for example, we can go in Notes, and here we can create new note. Then save this changes in the secure folder, but this note won't appear in your original Notes app. Let me show you. I'm gonna find my notes. And as you can see, I got 0 notes here, but if I go back in secure folder, I will see this one note which I created, which is pretty cool. So you got like a 2 personal spaces. You can add your photos to the secure folder. You can also add another type of data in your Facebook account and so on. So you can tap on 3 dots, choose to lock and exit, and when you'll try to open it again, you'll need to unlock it first. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.